हेलो चैट, आप सबका स्वागत है एक और शानदार वीडियो में। और आज हम खेलने जा रहे हैं फिर से GTA 5 और ये एपिसोड नंबर है 7। जैसे कि आप सबको पता है कि ट्रैवर ऑफिशियली लॉस सैंटोस में आ चुका है और इस चक्कर में माइकल थोड़ा शॉकिंग में हो चुका है और उसको लग रहा है कि ये अब ट्रैवर हमारा थोड़ा नुकसान करेगा। हालांकि उसको पहले ही लग रहा था कि ट्रैवर अब ऑफिशियली मर चुका है, बट ऐसा नहीं था। ट्रैवर ज़िंदा था और ट्रैवर को पता चल गया कि माइकल अभी भी ज़िंदा है। तो इस चक्कर में जो डेवी था, जो जिसने माइकल की हेल्प की थी, वो भी गुस्से में है और वो डेवी अब माइकल से अपने काम करवा रहा है कि उसके जो फाइल थी उसको इरेज करवाने के लिए बड़ी बड़ी FIB बिल्डिंग में भेज रहा है। काफ़ी ज़्यादा कुछ हो चुका है और ट्रैवर अभी राइट नाउ वो एक रॉबरी की प्लानिंग कर रहा है। और ट्रैवर ने ये भी बोल दिया कि माइकल अब तेरी मुझे हेल्प और एक अच्छा सा बंदा तू मुझे प्रोवाइड करेगा। और माइकल ने ये कहा कि अब मेरे पास एक बंदा है और उसका नाम है फ्रैंकलिन। जैसे कि सबको पता है कि अभी 3 इंसान है, अभी तीनों अब एक साथ चोरी करेंगे पहली बार। तो देखते हैं कि इस एपिसोड में हमें क्या क्या देखने को मिलता है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो अभी हम अपने अपार्टमेंट में हैं। तो सबसे पहले भाई कपड़े चेंज करो भाई, इस पे ना ये कपड़े सूट नहीं कर रहे यार। लेट्स गो। अभी हम अपने अपार्टमेंट में। हेलो ब्रो, व्हाट्सअप व्हाट्सअप व्हाट्सअप। पहले दारू भी लेते हैं ब्रो, काम आएगा। हाँ भाई, वो सफाई कर रहा है भाई, उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड उसको मार देगी जान से। चलो भाई, विस्की का एक पैक लगाते हुए। दिन की शुरुआत होने से पहले एक विस्की का पैक होना चाहिए। चलो, एक पैक इनफ है गाइस, ज़्यादा मैं। चलो चलो चलो। अभी ट्रैवल का मैप में देख रहे हो HS का मिशन, वो कर लेते हैं गाइस। लेट्स गो बेबी। मेरे हिसाब से यार वो मिशन ना, मेरे हिसाब से वो मिशन उसका होगा, आई थिंक रॉबरी का होगा मेरे हिसाब से। और मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये रॉबरी का मिशन थोड़ा लेट हो, तो इससे अच्छा है कि हम सीधा फ्रैंकलिन पे स्विच हो जाते हैं। लेट्स सी हमारा फ्रैंकलिन क्या कर रहा है अभी। चिल मार रहा होगा पक्का। ओहो हो, अभी अभी उठे हैं महाराज जी। उठो भाई उठो, काम धंधा कर लेते हैं। गाने कितने मस्त हैं यार। कपड़े बदलो सबसे पहले। छोड़ो। हेलो मैडम, हेलो ऑन्ट, क्या हाल आपके? सब चंगा सी? मैडम तो कार्टून देख रही है भाई। चलो भाई, इसका कोई मिशन है अभी। आई गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू, मीट मी एट डेल पीरो। चलो ब्रो। लेस्टर का मिशन आता हुआ। लेट्स गो। इमेजिन गाइस, GTA 6 कितनी बढ़िया होगी यार। और मैं चाहता हूँ कि इस चैनल में GTA 6 के पहले सभी रॉकस्टार गेम में कवर कर लूँ। ब्रो चोरी करते हुए, चोर के सामने चोरी करते हुए महाराज जी। लेस्टर भैया हम आ गए। कहाँ हो आप?
So what's up, man?
Sit down and face forward. Now, I don't have a lot of time. I know you need money. Did Michael tell you about Life Invader?
Oh shit, y'all two did that?
Look forward. We're two strangers having a friendly chat. And don't pretend that you liked Jane Norris.
Oh man, I don't know, homie. I mean, yeah, the dude outsourced work to child slaves, then stole and sold everybody's private information, and even ripped his own friends' ideas off and walked around like the Messiah while doing it, but man, I don't think the nigga deserved to have his fucking head blowed off on TV.
Oh, well, aren't you just a moral majority? You know, that's why the world is the way it is today, when a paid thug gets all namby-pamby when someone asks him to act like a paid thug, and for a good cause.
Man, check this out, homie. I like blowing motherfucking fools' heads off just as much as the next psychotic asshole. But I just don't look at this shit as doing a good deed.
Well, now you can, because it's not fools' heads, it's assholes' heads. And not just heads, you know, trashing cars or planning lies, forging evidence, anything we can do to take the battle back to these turds. You know, we'll fix the market in our favor and we'll right a few wrongs while we're at it.
Shit, okay, cool.
Right, so, you heard of Mollis?
Hell yeah.
Okay, so there's a new Mollis, sort of a super Mollis, and it's called Priapold. It's giving the living rigor mortis. Only Brett Lowry, CEO of Bilkington Research, paid off the FDA, and he doesn't care that his hardness pills are giving desperate middle-aged men the world over heart attacks.
Damn, man, that sucks.
Yeah, it does. Now, Mr. Greedy Lowry is staying at the Von Krastenberg Hotel in Richmond. Of course, he'll be well protected, but if he goes away, then America goes back to using Mollis, and Beta Pharmaceuticals gets a big bump in the price of their stock.
Damn, man, all right, fuck it, I got you.
I thought that you would. Now, consider using a sniper rifle or sticky
चलो
bombs, you know, whatever.
अब
Do it
मॉलिस
your
को
way,
मार रहा है
however you
भाई
want. I'm gonna make the
वो भी स्नाइपर
investment.
राइफल
You
से
don't speak about this or anything. Now walk away, and I'll stay here till you're gone.
जब लेस्टर भाई ने बोला फिर करने का गो टू द होटल चलो अब मेरी बाइक कहाँ ब्रो वो बढ़िया गए चलो अब हम पहुंच चुके हैं होटल की पार्किंग में ऊपर है हाँ ऊपर ही होगा
Let's move it out, people. We need this area cleared.
चेकआउट अच्छा 25 मिनट 25 सेकंड अभी हैं assassinate the target
Keep your eye out for anything unusual. Let's see if we can get through one day without some wannabe hippie waving an anti-globalization sign
ये
in
है
our face.
पक्का ये है टेक शूटर टेक कवर लीव द एरिया मार दिया भाई मार दिया बेबी
Backup now. All nearby units report immediately. Boss is down. Get an ambulance now.
अबे गुइया के खेत में गया मैं गुइया के खेत में हो गया रफा दफा लेट्स गो बेबी lose the cops okay mission passed चलो लास्टर को फोन लगाया जाए जी जी
I really don't
वाह
need
क्या
this.
सीन है
Something don't feel too good. Hey, it's done.
I know. Good work.
All right, well, shit, let me know about the next thing.
Will do, but before that, I've got to tell you something. Our investment portfolio is getting a little, successful, so I figured we needed some tangible assets, property. So we bought a house in the Vinewood Hills.
Yeah, sure, man, whatever. You know best about this shit.
And we needed someone to live there for tax purposes, so some guys are moving your stuff in.
Oh, shit. Meaning I don't have to live with my crazy ass aunt no more? Man, I don't know what the fuck to say, dawg.
Don't say anything, especially if a man in a suit comes to the door. I'm joking. That probably isn't gonna happen. It's yours. Enjoy it. 3671 Wispy Mound Drive.
बेबी न्यू घर मिलता हुआ लेस्टर को। जी जी। Franklin has moved into a new house in Vinewood Hill at ऐसा। This is location can now used to save progress and change clothes। चलो बेबी नए घर में जाते हैं। नया घर भाई कहाँ है? हमारे हैं। चलो पहुंच गया अपने लेस्टर अपने नए घर में। दिस इज फ्रैंकलिन न्यू सेफ हाउस, यू कैन सेव व्हीकल्स बाय पार्किंग देम इन द गैरेज। तो फाइनली थोड़ा चेकआउट कर लेते हैं यार घर अपना जो लेस्टर ने हमें गिफ्ट करा है। एंट्री घर की कहाँ से है? यहाँ से है भाई। इतना बड़ा घर मेरा। ये कौन सा? अब ये मेरा नहीं है, ये है मेरा घर। हमारा हाउस। हुक्का पीते हुए मज़े करते हुए, क्या बात है। चढ़ गया भाई हुक्का।
Man, I just wish I could get a bigger bag of this good shit and Tanisha
Lord,
gonna
G.
live on an island some fucking where. I could be on some motherfucking island motherfucking with his woman. She ain't my woman. She ain't shit to me. I ain't shit to me.
क्या बात है, क्या ही कर रहा भाई ये। एक काम करते हैं अब गाइस, अब जाते हैं सीधा माइकल के पास। अब माइकल का हालचाल पूछते हैं, क्या सीन है उसका। अबे ट्रैफिक में फंसता हुआ। अबे भाई क्यों परेशान हो रहे हो आप? अब हमें ड्राइवर कह रहा है कि भाई थोड़ा जहाज उड़ाना सीखो, हमारी नेक्स्ट रॉबरी में काम आएगा। Listen, I know you are probably irritated by the shall we say favor I just asked of you. I wish I had involved with, but my boss has been sniffing around some old cases. बेटी का फोन हुआ गाइस।
Hey Trace, what's
हेलो
up?
बेटी, बोलो क्या हाल चाल?
What's up? Are you joking? You ruined my life.
I did?
बेटी मैंने क्या कर
I
दिया
thought I'd
तेरा?
already ruined your life. Remember after that boat thing?
Take this seriously. Do you know how bad I wanted that? Fame or shame is like an amazing opportunity. You're such a fucking fuck. You really are.
You'll get over it. You'll see. I did you a favor.
Never. I hate you.
भाई बेटी गुस्सा होती हुई बाप से कि तूने जो मेरा फंक्शन था फेम एंड शेम का, उससे तुमने मेरी बहुत ही ज़्यादा मेरी तूने हालत ख़राब कर दी। अब बेटी गालियाँ दे रही है अपने बेटे को, अपने बाप को। चलो अब एक काम करते हैं गाइस, अब जाते हैं माइकल के मिशन के पास जो मैप में एम लिखा हुआ है, उसके बाद बी के पास जाएंगे। चलो अब कौन सा मिशन होगा ये? चलो अगला दिन, उससे भी अगला दिन। माइकल आराम से चिल मारता हुआ मूवी देख रहा हुआ, जैसे मैं देख रहा हूँ अभी आराम से।
What is wrong with you smoking in my house? You know, ever since that psychotic pal of yours turned up, you've turned into an even bigger asshole.
Thank you. Your support in my difficult times
माइकल
means
को
the
अपनी
world
बेटी
to
से
me.
गालियाँ पड़ती हैं,
I've supported
बेटे
you.
से भी और बीवी
I
से
left
भी।
everything to come here with
भाई
you,
इसका तो बुरा हाल
and
है।
still, that crazy bastard turns up.
I'll handle it.
यहाँ पे ड्राइवर की
I
बात हो
don't
रही है।
know.
Oh, you know what? Just keep him away way for me and the children, you low-life, whoremongering asswipe?
Did someone say yoga?
No, I think she said whoremongering asswipe.
Hello, Fabian, darling.
इसका फेवरेट डायलॉग है पिछले एपिसोड में होगा ना मास गो
yeah,
फक
she's very
योरसेल्फ
centered. A regular oasis of peace and tranquility, this
with
one.
anger issues and worse friends. No wonder I'm so upset.
You too, please. Namaste.
नमस्ते
We practice. Miguel, join us, please.
लो
No,
अब
please, no.
माइकल भी अब क्या कहते हैं योगा
Thanks for
करेगा
sharing. Come, Miguel, come.
Awesome. So, Fab, if you could make me as happy and mellow as my wife, it'll be a job well fucking done.
We are all on our own journeys, Miguel.
Yeah, no doubts. Why is she driving a tank on hers?
Perhaps to deal with your hostility, Michael. Now here is good. We have the sun and the moribunda. The asshole. Now we begin to put the asshole to the earth. Yes, we begin each sequence. Tadasana. Yes. Or mountain pose.
Alright.
1, 2, 3.
चैट योगा टाइम
Mouth and anus are perfectly in line. Show him, Amanda.
1, 2, 3.
This is perfect. Now, Michael.
चलो बेबी लेट्स गो अब क्या करना है
Come, Michael. You have something to prove.
अबे करना क्या है
Please don't waste Fabian's time.
It's so simple. Come on. Now, in through the bloated nose and out through those wrinkled lips.
Breathe, baby. Pretend there's a cigar in your mouth. Let it out. You're turning red.
क्या बात है
Michael, I never thought I'd see the day.
ओके
In and out with the breath, Michael.
समथिंग
Now,
इंटरेस्टिंग
inhale.
क्या बात है
Breathe out, please.
क्या बात है
Maintain it.
अब नाइस नाइस अच्छा हो रहा है
Air through the nose and out
Inhale.
the mouth. Breathe in. Out with the breath.
चलो
Maybe there's hope for him. A small, tiny, minuscule maybe.
अब तक तो अच्छा जा रहा है
It's
guys.
gonna have to do.
Now we will do something more complicated.
चलो
Sometimes
Next
when I
pose.
do this pose, I weep uncontrollably for hours.
लो लो
Wow.
ये तो नहीं होने वाला माइकल से
You feel that? The emotion inside. Let it go. Michael, join us.
I feel like I'm channeling bullshit right now.
Now, you breathe. A breath, please.
Let it go.
चलो
There. There it is.
What the hell am I doing?
Was that too complex for you?
अबे गलती से हो गया
You embarrassed yourself, but we do not care. Again,
चलो
you
फिर
can
से करते हैं
breathe, can't you?
Very good. Now let it go. He's got great core strength for someone who's totally rotten there.
हो जा भाई फकर
He may be too old for this. You have let yourself go.
क्या
Now
useless
take
mission है
yourself
ये?
back. The silly man forgets to breathe. Out through those wrinkled lips.
Now think of all the strippers who've been over to pick up your dollar bills. Just suck some oxygen into your lungs. Let it out, baby.
Okay, baby.
Erect, turgid. Hold it. Stroke it. Breathe, Mikkel.
Breathe, breathe.
Just exhale, Michael.
You
Okay.
feel that?
और भाई माइकल ने
Now.
कर लिया.
You breathe. Let it out. Tight. Tighter.
Yeah, I'm about to feel some emotions, all right.
Remember, children. Do not fear the unknown. We are the unknown. Show us, Amanda.
I don't think Michael's up to this.
He may surprise you. Plank.
Plank.
Chaturanga.
Shudder. Yeah.
Feel the flow. Everything is flowing in me. Mike,
ना होने का, ना होगेगा. अबे भाई कर रहा है ये भी.
put the lunar to the face. Breathe, please, Michael. Out through the mouth.
Can you thank us now for saving you from the couch?
Your core. It is rotten, no?
अबे यार.
Be present, please. Your lungs, they work, yes?
Out through the mouth.
Good. Take in the air and release it.
Let it out. You're turning red.
There.
Okay, okay, nice.
Breathing is almost the most important thing, no?
चलो.
Exhale. No vanity. Come on. Breathe,
Okay,
please,
nice.
Michael.
Last pose रहता हुआ.
Let it go.
Your
Up.
inner eye.
इसकी ऐसी की तैसी.
Your lungs, they work, yes? Breathe out, please.
Your aura is just like, wow.
Take in the air and release it.
Very good. Now let it go.
Okay.
Nice, nice, nice.
Breathing is almost the most important thing, no?
Let it out, baby. Can you wash that mat later? It's gonna smell all bloody and smoky and Michael-y.
You have come a long way today, Mikhail. Yes, later you will cry like a baby.
Yeah, right.
His chakras are completely blocked. Don't worry about
Show
him.
me the downward dog. I'm glad we have helped with your impotence, Mikhail.
What'd you say?
Your sexual energies have been blocked for too long. Back into my pelvis. Back, back,
Yeah.
back. Yes, there you go.
Oh, oh,
that's very-
oh, oh!
What?
Hey, enough of that!
Yoga is the answer, Mikhail. But what is the question?
Why am I such a moron?
We are leaving and we are never coming back.
Good!
You are alone, you pathetic psychopath.
Fuck you! And that
भाई इसमें माइकल की 1% गलती नहीं है. 1% भी.
Ah!
Go to Jimmy room. Let's go.
Jimmy!
माइकल के तो
you
पूरे
still
अलग
here?
हुए हैं. पूरे अलग चुके हैं माइकल के तो.
James!
Go away! Oh yeah, fuck You know what? If there was a rate button, I'd be...
It's nice TV. Did I pay for that?
Yeah, you smashed the other one, didn't you?
All right, come on. I want to go for a ride.
I gotta meet a friend.
All right, so I'll go meet him with you. Come on, I want to get out of the house. I'm not going alone.
Come on. This is fucking bullshit.
Bullshit? Threatening to molest your online buddies is bullshit.
They're not my buddies.
They're the only people you speak to.
Get in Vikas.
So where's your friend?
Burger shot.
आप जा रहे हैं जिम्मी के दोस्त के पास और वो जिम्मी का दोस्त बर्गर शॉट में उसका वेट कर रहा है.
Yeah, nice to see the kids are still hanging out at the burger joints. Me and the guys, we go down to the diner after class every day. You know, get milkshakes, fries.
Ew, please. You know, you're really creeping me out.
I'm trying to relate to you.
No, you're trying to take me on some nostalgia trip. You're such a cliche.
I've seen some bad drivers, but you, woo-hoo-hoo.
You're such a cliche.
Oh, says the dope-smoking, game-playing, live-at-home Worlos him a living millennial.
I knew it. I knew it. The mask was gonna slip. The monster's been exposed.
The hell are you talking about?
The real you. That bitter, vindictive old man. You pretend you're being a father, but you hate me, don't you?
I don't hate you, Jim. How many times? I love you. Look.
You really have to meet my friend?
Yeah, I really do.
Then please don't get weird. For once in your life, don't be weird.
चलो लेट्स गो. अब मिलते हैं कि
There
अब
he is,
जिम्मी का
the
कौन सा
friendly
फ्रेंड है.
neighborhood drug dealer.
वाह ड्रग डीलर. वेरी नाइस फ्रेंड जिम्मी बेटा. वेरी नाइस फ्रेंड.
Good to see you.
बहुत तरक्की में आप तो.
Pay for this shit, huh? Hey, who's the old man?
It's my dad.
Oh, all right, Mr. DeSanto.
Yeah, you the kid selling Jimmy pot by the pound?
Ah, Jimmy, bro, your dad's funny, man.
Come on, do this shit and let's get going.
Oh, yeah, you got that other thing? Oh, yeah.
Come on, man. What the fuck? Jimmy.
Just hold on a second. Oh, all right, later on.
Careful with that.
Hey, let's bounce.
Bounce. We're bouncing now. Is that what we're doing? Jesus
Bounce.
fucking Christ. Alrighty
Okay.
then. Now what?
Can we just get back to the house, please?
Go back to the Michael house.
So, want a drink?
I'm driving.
Because normally you're such a between the white lines, friend to the pedestrian kind of guy.
Fine. Give it here.
लो क्या पिला दिया इसने बेटे ने.
Hey, careful!
जूसी है ना.
Okay, your turn.
Maybe when we get home.
लो नशे में. जी
Who's the square now?
बेटा हो तो ऐसा हो ब्रो. नशे में
I'm starting.
गाड़ी चल रही गाइस.
You're fine. No.
गाड़ी ना चल रहा.
This is not normal. You're just paranoid.
गाड़ी ना चल रही.
Paranoia. This is totally just a
तू बेटा गया. तेरी इतनी कुटाई करूंगा ना मैं. इतनी कुटाई करूंगा कोई इसका हिसाब निकाल.
Feel my face. No.
लो जी.
I'll stop it. Oh, what was in it? It's harmless. Vets have been using it for decades. You anesthetize me? You fucking shit. From yourself. Also, I took money from your bank account and I'm moving out. Alright? You're too crazy, Dad. Jimmy!
भाई बीबी छोड़ के चली गई. अब बेटा भी छोड़ के चल रहा है भाई. ओहो माइकल भाई तेरा क्या होगा अब. अब कौन उठा रहा है इसको. चिंपैंजी. एलियन शिप. शायद अभी नशे में है ना, इसको कुछ अजीब जैसे दिखाई दिया होगा। अरे भैया एलियन। इसके सारे कपड़े उतार दिए। अबे भैया खुल गई आंख माइकल की तो। अब माइकल भैया आप कहाँ हो? उल्टियाँ पे उल्टियाँ मार रहे हो वे नंगे शंगे, सिर्फ अंडरवेयर के साथ हैं। अब मेरे को आंखों में साइकिल दिखाई दे रही है, इसकी ऐसी की तैसी। जिम्मी बेटा अगर तू दिख गया ना, तू आज गई हो। चलो भाई अपने घर चलो।
Hello? Hey! I'm home! Anyone here?
भाई कोई नहीं है, सारे भाग गए भाई, बीवी भाग गई, बच्चे भाग गए छोड़ के माइकल को।
I'm back!
कहाँ है? लो जी,
Michael,
खत मिलता हुआ।
I think you finally lost your mind. Your recent behavior and the company you've been keeping already had me very concerned. Now you've taken to attacking my Fabian, who is a close
My
friend.
Fabian।
And then Jimmy said you took drugs while driving him in your car.
वाह, जिम्मी ने फंसा दिया मेरे हाथ तो।
We've decided to move out for a while. You promised me you'd change, and you haven't changed a bit. I know you say I always act like I'm in a movie. Well, this isn't that. I think I'm gonna speak to a lawyer. I'm just really confused. Please don't try to contact us and try not to get yourself killed. Amanda. Fuck.
अब माइकल के फेस पे दाढ़ी बनता है, दाढ़ी इस पे फेस पे बनता है भाई। अब चलो भाई, हमारा माइकल बेचारा क्या ही बोलूँगा इसको, इसको मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकता फिलहाल तो। गाड़ी तो है ही नहीं है, वो भी ले गए बच्चे। लो जी गाड़ी भी ले गए। अब गाड़ी खरीदूंगा सबसे पहले मैं। वाह भाई क्या ही दिन आ गए। बीवी अपनी गाड़ी लेके चली गई, बेटा मेरी गाड़ी लेके चला गया, अब मैं ये साइकिल चोरी का चला रहा हूँ मैं।
The dead don't drive.
हाँ बेटी तू तो मेरा साथ दे दे।
Yeah, look, Dad, we're worried.
I'm worried too. I really want to see you.
Well, I don't want to see you. You need help, like serious, serious help. And if you don't get it, you're gonna be killed.
Tracy, I love you. But you don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
I tried, Daddy. That's all I could do.
चलो जी, बेटी ने भी साथ छोड़ दिया। अब दोस्तों, अब माइकल का मिशन है जो बी के नाम से, वो अब करते हैं।
Diet sodas are actually worse for you. Shit.
FIB। चलो, go to the Davy।
Some people have all the money and the houses. The rest of us, we just kiss their
Hey, Michael.
David. Well, isn't this nice? You didn't tell me we were double dating. Sorry, guys. This burning hunk of love is all mine.
Brilliant! Steve Haynes, amigo, but you probably knew that already.
Sorry, your name tag must have fallen off.
Oh, duh! I love it! I gotta remember to write that down. And to shoot you in your head, you annoying dick. Andreas, taking notes? This stuff, whoa! Pure magic. They should put it on my show. Have you seen my show?
You mean how to dress like a salesman on a cheap golf weekend at a third-rate country club?
So, well done with our friend, Mr. K.
My
तो
pleasure.
यहाँ पे मीटिंग हो रही है सबकी सब
I love
FIB
helping our
एजेंट
government
है.
wage war,
अब शायद कोई
especially
प्लान
with
बनाएंगे
itself.
कि जो
Don't you make
इनके
a mistake?
रिकॉर्ड्स थे जो
Did I,
फ्रॉड
Cupcake?
वाले
Why don't you
वो
fucking
हटाने
put
के
your
लिए
voice down before
मेरे
you
हिसाब
close
से
your fucking windpipe. The joke stop now, pal. You will
भाई
show me and my
तमीज से
team
भाई.
some respect.
Maybe you could define team for me. Is that just the three of you? Or the greater FIB? Or the entire government? Because I'm tempted to argue that thus far, we haven't shown a lot of your colleagues a whole lot of respect.
और भाई
Why
साहब
don't you
गला
start
पकड़
with
लिया
me,
इसका. ये तो गया बेटा.
genius?
You got it, pal.
तू तो गया.
We have received intel that they're keeping Mr. K at the local agency station.
I just dealt with that guy.
The agency is stepping up their questioning because of your moronic antics down at the coroner's office. We need to get him out of there before he blabs.
I did what Agent Norton said.
Then I guess you getting involved with a clapped out old agent who's been living off of past glories was your first mistake. You are my boy now, amigo.
ओहो.
My career depends on this.
कह रहा है कि तू मेरा
And
कुत्ता
that's very
बनना है.
important to me. So seeing as we're all boys now, that makes it important to you. Now run along, kids.
अब स्टोरी बता अब थोड़ी सीरियस मोड पे आ चुकी है. पहले थोड़ा हंसी मजाक होता था बट
See,
अब
there we
नहीं.
go, Dave. You can't teach an
जैसे
old
जैसे
dog
जैसे
new
स्टोरी
tricks.
बढ़ रही है वैसे वैसे थोड़ी
Let's
डार्क
go.
हो रही है. Get in the Davy car.
The Bureau owns a lot out in East LS, Covington Supplies off El Rancho. Can you take us there?
Yeah, sure. Sounds nice and secluded. Kind of place you'd run an off-the-books operation, huh?
So what?
So I bet federal ain't on the deed, that's so. And we all like our federal government open and transparent.
Except when closed and opaque suits you better.
Hey, I'm just a puppet. You're the one pulling the strings.
When East meets West is an
चलो. Go to the meeting point.
I need you to make a couple of calls. Get some people on board. First guy is Franklin Clinton.
Hey, I barely know that kid. He's fixing up my car.
Call him,
So
or we'll
Franklin
send
भी आ
some
रहा है.
G-men to his aunt's house.
Okay. Okay.
Michael, this ain't the best time. I'm kind of busy.
Hey, sorry about that. Listen, you know that thing we talked about before? It's happening. I need you to come to a lot off El Rancho, not far from where we met before.
All right, that's cool. I'm in LS anyway.
Now, Trevor Phillips.
Oh, you're crazy.
हाँ,
I ain't
ड्राइवर ही
calling
साथ
you.
में आ रहा है.
I thought you might say that, so we had him picked up.
That's a dumb move, Dave. Real fucking dumb.
Just worry about the
Trevor
plan,
भी आ रहा है,
okay?
Franklin
Getting
भी
Mr.
आ रहा है
K
भाई.
out of the IAA station. Clinton is going to be positioned across the street, keeping an eye on the proceedings. Phillips flies you in, you rappel down, make the extraction.
And I'm the best guy you got for this.
With you, we've got good leverage.
Great. And you brought Trevor in.
शायद
We're
हमें
telling him I'm
अब इस
all
मिशन में एक
cozy
गाय को
with the
किडनैप करना हमने.
FIB.
You'll need
उसी की
discreet
बारी होगा
support.
मेरे हिसाब से.
We'll maintain control of the situation.
Let's go baby. ट्रेवर पहले से पहुंचा हुआ और
You know what? You
फ्रैंकलिन
better
भी.
keep a low profile.
Yeah, I think I will.
Let's
See you
go
later.
baby.
Who's that cagey motherfucker, huh? It's another cagey motherfucker, all right? Not you.
Hey, T, enough with the faux political bullshit. Franklin, come on, you better take off. Really.
Shit, I'm good. I ain't bailing.
Whoa. What, am I detecting some sort of son I never had bullshit here, Mikey, huh? Hey, listen, if you want to replace some father figure, you can do a lot better than this fat snake, all right? This fucker would eat his own kids.
Like I said, Franklin, deranged.
Yeah, and best friend.
Exactly. That's Trevor, my best friend. That's Franklin, the son I always wanted. All right,
क्या
guys,
बात है.
listen,
पहली
this is
बार
the
मिल
shot.
रहा है ट्रेवर और
I'm gonna do all the
फ्रैंकलिन.
heavy lifting on
पहली
this
बार.
job, okay? Trevor, all I need you to do is fly me to the target. Franklin, you're gonna cover me from across the street. We're gonna make these assholes happy, and we're gonna walk away from this thing clean. Got it?
I got you.
All right? And we do this, and they help us bring Brad. Right?
Yeah. We'll talk about Brad later, all right? I gotta change. You better grab a head start.
Nice to meet you, homie.
Yeah, whatever.
The government gimp at last.
Bite me.
Let's go.
Alright, let's do this thing.
We need to go to the agency headquarters downtown.
Let's go.
Your new friends are a riot. No wonder you said sayonara to the old crew.
पहला मिशन स्टार्ट होता हुआ तीनों के साथ.
Sometimes I guess you gotta make compromises.
कितने एपिसोड के बाद?
Dying with a gun in your hand. Life happened. Annoying wife, 2 kids. Remember them? You get tied down, you can't move anymore. What about your ties to me? To Brad? Those ties are why you got roped in on this FIB instigated suicide pact. For as long as it keeps me amused, I am. I ain't exactly sure it's gonna be amusing. We'll see. You know, you had me at suicide pact. I'm going in on the west side of the tower. Get us in position. I'll drop.
You fuck around while I'm out there.
पहुंच गए.
I'll climb back up this rope and strangle you with it. Yeah.
Let's go, baby.
Don't screw with me, T. Hey, we're looking good.
अरे भैया, इसको हमने किडनैप करना है. इसके पास क्या कहते हैं ना, हमारी वो है, थोड़ी नॉलेज है बंदों की, जो हमने हमारी बात हुई थी डेवियन के साथ.
Cinema equipment, not surveillance.
Grab his other arm.
No.
इसकी तो ले रहे हैं भाई.
You think you're impenetrable? See how you feel with this is 18 inches deep inside.
अरे भैया.
Actually, who the fuck is this? Terminate him! Close this problem right now!
Yeah, I can use a little backup here.
Get me the station chief! I'm not...
36 blow. Got it.
Let's go, baby.
Help me!
Let's go, baby.
What's happening?
Room's clear, T.
Let's go.
Get us out.
Cut him down, people. Help!
T, we need to be clear of this building. Hey, Dooley! I'm not leaving here till you shoot those guys. So get moving on it. You're gonna get us killed, you know that? It ain't me trying to shoot you.
इधर मरने की हालत हो रखी है, अब ड्राइवर मजाक कर रहा है. अरे भाई 3 चॉपर आ गए.
You got a bogey coming at you, Franklin.
Shit!
तो क्या?
Hey, I'm clear over here. Nice one, kid. I don't want to disturb you, Mike, but you might want to do something about the truck.
Let's go.
Before we're blown out of the sky. Just saying.
Let's go, motherfucker.
Hey, don't hit anyone on the way down.
Oh, shit! I've been found!
All clear.
Let's go.
Send us down at that lot. That's affirmative, squadron leader. Hey, Frank, they ain't got their eyes in the sky. You can clear out of there.
मुझे गिराओ.
Who are you people?
That doesn't matter.
They said they were government. I do home theater. I'm not a...
I don't care who you are.
Then why are you doing this to me?
Hey, hold tight. I got some friends with the Bureau. They'll explain everything.
You saved me. Thank you. Thank you.
Don't mention it.
The Bureau, the FIB, they will make everything okay?
I'm sure. Don't worry, they'll look after you.
The things those people did to me. I'm an American citizen.
Hey, T, bring her down in the lot.
चलो भाई आ रहे हैं भाई आ रहे हैं। चलो लैंडिंग होती ही बढ़िया सी लैंडिंग होती हुई। चलो जी
Let's go. Where are we? You go easy on it.
Thank you. Oh, you saved me. Hey, hey. Huh? Huh?
No, 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 no. Hey, I said
इसके
easy.
तो लग गए।
Oh, come on, give the guy a break. Alright, we'll get out of this shit.
In bed with the Bureau and a new running buddy.
Yeah, he's more of a protege.
Yeah, what, you gonna teach him to be old before his time?
Yeah, to never grow up.
That seems like a good kid. Michael, look at this, huh? New city, new set of problems, but the idiots, they stay the same.
Yep, I guess. Alright, Trevor, I'll see you later.
मिशन बढ़िया था यार, मजा आ गया। जो मैंने स्नाइपर का शॉट मारा ना लास्ट में फ्रैंकलिन ने, मजा आ गया उसमें तो। New contact Steve. Mission passed. 3 company. Let's go baby. अब यार एक काम करते हैं, अब सीधा उस पे स्विच होते हैं फ्रैंकलिन पे। फ्रैंकलिन आराम से अपने घर में चिल मारता हुआ।
Alright, man, you cool. All that shit? Chop, what you been eating? I gotta get a regimen for your ass. Get inside, Chop.
आया ब्रो, कम ऑन। भाई कुत्ते के साथ चिल मारेंगे थोड़ा सा। Chop will follow Franklin into suitable cars with the empty front passenger seat. Okay. Driver का मैसेज, I don't know what Michael been teaching you, but this job I got plan. You gotta know how to shoot. Get your ass to an ammunition shooting range. Okay bro, okay bro. भाई कुछ बड़ा सा कर रहा है ड्राइवर। भाई ड्राइवर क्या कहते हैं, माइकल को कह रहा है तू फ्लाइंग क्लासी ले, और ड्राइवर माइकल को कह रहा है तू गन की प्रैक्टिस कर। भाई कितने मिशन है, क्या कहते हैं फ्रैंकलिन के पास? 4 मिशन। अब भाई काम करते हैं, जो फ्रैंकलिन का F का मिशन बना वहाँ पे जाते हैं। नहीं, एक काम पहले L के बजाते हैं यार, छोड़ो उसको। ये F वाला जस्ट अभी आया हुआ है, L वाला पहले आया था, तो L वाला पहले करते हैं। चलो फ्रैंकलिन का मिशन आता हुआ।
You know Redwood cigarettes?
Sure, the cigarette that built America.
They've rigged a jury to throw a class action lawsuit that would cover the treatment costs of thousands of emphysema sufferers. There are 4 corrupt jurors on Redwood's books. I'll send you the details. Oh, and we only have a few hours to make them disappear. The court case is tomorrow morning.
Is that all, dog? Shit, that's quite a favor.
And that's quite a house you're living in. Get this done quickly, and I'll try to throw in a sweetener as well. Now, I'd advise picking up some long-range hardware to get this job done. You'll be helping a lot of people with this, Franklin, including anyone who might have a sizable investment in, say, Debonair cigarettes.
अब भाई लेस्टर ने फ्रैंकलिन को घर दिया हुआ है, तो अब भाई उसका काम तो करना ही पड़ेगा। वेस्पुची बीच बॉडी बिल्डर मसल सैंड एंड डिलीट दिस मैसेज। ओके बॉडी बिल्डर को पहले मारेंगे। तू तो कहता लेट्स गो। एक मरा, बॉडी बिल्डर मर गया। अबे यार अब इनमें से कौन सा होगा? यही होगा हरामजादा। चलो, get to the West Vinewood fast, Eclipse middle medical tower, look for the dirty windows. Dirty window, हाँ? वो दिखा।
Appreciate this shit.
Biker Vinewood Hills, look at for the Betty bike. Gotta move.
I ain't got much time left.
अबे यार वो तो काफी दूर है। मैं कितनी तेज भाग रहा हूँ।
Okay, that ought to do it.
जी अब फोन लगाओ भाई लेस्टर को। भाई तेरा काम हो गया।
Hey, L, it's
Hello?
done, homie. All of
हाँ भाई तेरा काम हो गया।
I'll be in touch.
5-0.
भाई कॉप क्या कर रहा है? शायद अब हमारा वो दूसरा मेन मिशन तो हो गया। हम करते हैं बी जो क्वेश्चन मार्क है। मेरे हिसाब से वो साइड मिशन है, वो करते हैं अब।
Of the governed.
चलो साइड मिशन होता हुआ।
So I take it I can count on your attendance, friend.
भाई।
Huh?
At the smoke-in.
We're what?
Yeah, we're gonna bring down the government by smoking weed together in a public
पहले हरामजादे ने
place.
माइकल को दिया स्मोक, अब इसको
Very
देगा।
effective. I'm prepared to be a martyr, friend. Are you?
Shit, if being a martyr means to smoke good weed, for sure.
Would you like a little warm-up? You know, before you go and collect the supplies?
Before I what?
You know, get the supplies. Can't have a smoke-in without smoke. You know, cerebral stuff that's gonna get the people up off their feet, protesting.
Man, I don't know. It sounds kind of bullshit to me.
We're gonna crush them with our resolve. Here. Have a little taste of that.
लो जी, कर दिया शुरू। अब इसको भी भयंकर नशे आएंगे जैसा माइकल के साथ हुआ था।
Just a mellow, sophisticated high.
Man, it seems a little dry.
Can't you see the aliens?
Man, what else are you taking? Man, this shit is garbage.
Anyway, just get the stuff. It's a revolution, and then call me.
Crazy motherfucker.
Oh, bro, इसको दिखे नहीं कुछ। वो तो गया।
San Andreas needs you. I'll text you where the stuff is. Hey, go quick before someone sees you. And look out for the cops and the monsters. They're everywhere.
अबे हमको नशे न चढ़ते भाई। चलो अब जाते हैं पी के जो साइड मिशन है जो मैप में बना हुआ है गाइस। क्वेश्चन मार्क बना मैप में। अब मैं वहाँ जा रहा हूँ। मेरे हिसाब से पता कौन है वो ये जो फोटो खींचता था ना, मेरे हिसाब से वही है कमीना। ये रहा कमीना। वाह
Motherfucker,
वाह।
would you stop doing this shit?
Oh, it's you. Yeah, how's it going, homie? Yeah. Hey, you seem incredible lately.
Yeah, Trevor Phillips, but I doubt if you want a picture of him.
Oh, wait. Wasn't he in the men's room?
Nah.
Oh, shit. I gotta tell you, this is unbelievable. Crap, that hurt. Man, you're not gonna believe this. They want to do a reality series about me. Yeah, it's true, man.
Series.
I'm gonna be big. I'm gonna be huge, right? It's all about the incredibly glamorous life I lead. Huh?
Good.
Yeah, boy. Oh, yeah, boy. Yeah, except, you know, while I'm doing that, I'm gonna need somebody else to take some shots for me.
Nah, I'm cool on that, dog.
Oh, come on, dude. Come on, homie. All right, look, this if you get a chance, right? I mean, there's no rush. Okay. Oh, and then what I'll do is I'll send you a list of names and some links so you can see who they are, right?
वाह
Yeah, whatever, man.
अब इसका काम मैं करूँगा खुद
Hey, you know, and I promise you, fame won't change me one bit.
Yeah, I was afraid you would say that.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm okay. Wow, everything's good.
चलो भाई अब इसका काम मैं खुद करूँगा चलो
Would you come on, damn?
अब रहता है एक फ्रैंकलिन का एक मेन मिशन जो एफ है अब हम वो करेंगे गाइस area where you can find the vehicle with the hidden stash are marked on the map. Search them, find vehicle for Barry. Hidden stash. Hey homie, heard a few rumors on the celebrities grab me. Opportunity to get some real shot. We call when we get there. Yes, where you can find celebrity photo. Opportunity marked on the map. Track down the photograph this celebrity of our Barry. भाई ये तो रही जी जी
Man, are you fucking kidding? I should have never listened to that high-ass fool.
Whoa, who changed my ringtone?
Hey, look, man, that car in La Puerta is a fucking hoopty. The engine is fucking shot, man. I'm gonna grab a stash and get the fuck out of here.
No, it could be a trap, and I need that car. The movement depends on it. You'll have to push it or something.
Are you out of your damn mind?
Hey, do it for your state. Do it for freedom. Do it for nature. Ignite the fight.
You been igniting the fight too motherfucking much, dawg.
भाई फ्रैंकलिन तो गुस्से में है Find a way. अबे
Man, I ain't pushing shit. Man, that
tow
high-ass
truck कहाँ है? मिल गया tow truck brother. चलो go to the Barry apartment. चलो पहुंचने वाले हम बैरी के अपार्टमेंट में एक्चुअली अब अच्छा बैरी को फोन लगाया जाए
Mom, I've said all there is to say.
What? Man, get your ass down here. I'm outside with this junker you made me drag across town.
Look, just leave it there. I can't come out now. The satellites. I mean, they're scanning our brains and tracking our heartbeats through the internet. Go now while you still can.
Man, I'm wasting my fucking time.
No, you're a hero, a green warrior. We're changing lives.
चलो leave the area. Okay. मिशन पास्ड जी ओके गाइस आज के लिए इतना ही कल मिलता है एक और शानदार वीडियो के साथ तब तक के लिए टेक केयर